My name is Michael, and well, it has been a long time. I have a new video, and I want to talk about this platform that big marketers are actually promoting. And well, for me, it doesn't seem right. There are things that I'm not saying right there, but nevertheless, this is my own personal opinion, and I'm going to share it with you here. Kindly subscribe, bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And guys, thank you for being part of our team. Those who came, those who are still watching this channel, thank you once again, and thank you. Sorry for that. So I'm going to move on to my slide now. So this is Afro Arbitrage. Should I Afro Arbitrage? Yeah, Afro Arbitrage. So this is the platform. Sorry, I don't know how to hide this. I'm sorry. So this is the platform, Afro Arbitrage system. The posing and whatever system. So the guy's name is Michael. He's a cryptocurrency educator and crypto forex market analysis. Fine. And AAS is a digital currency trading platform that use high frequency trading and algorithm to automatically buy digital currency at low price and sell them at high price to generate return as a mode focused on digital currency high frequency transaction. AAS has built a world-class digital exchange that has created a top-notch wealth space for investors globally. Well, for me, office address is this New Jersey, USA. It's in Nigerian for me, or if maybe it's not in Nigeria, I don't know. But this is the guy that is in charge of this platform. He's the guy here, and you can do your own diligence to know more about him. I'm not a registered member. You understand? Trading strategy that guarantees capital preservation and sustainable return on investment. Okay, so this is their summary. Afriq System LLC, good standing, formation 7 to 2022, and all of that. And then it was open in July. So you can do that on your own. And in Nigeria here, private company limited by shares, company registration number, and all of that. So certificate of documentation can be verified here. So this is the address to verify that document to know actually if they really exist. So arbitrage, you all know what arbitrage means. So it contains to buy a foreign currency in the market where its price is low and sustainably selling them in another market. That is what arbitrage is all about. That's what I'm trying to explain. So what makes AAS different from other arbitrage trading platform? 100% profit of liquidity, 100% smart contract protocol. So now they are telling us that this program is run on a smart contract. Fine. I know usually what happens on a smart contract, we always have a backdoor. From the beginning, we always get to know that they don't have a backdoor. But most times at the end of the whole situation, where we start having issues, we begin to know that some funds have been moved, some funds goes down to directly to those who created the platform. And as you can see, in the year 2020, we did a lot of smart contracts. If you check this channel, you're going to see some of the videos there too. And today, they are nowhere to be found. That is one thing I don't like about smart contracts, because the creators have a way of manipulating funds to themselves and all of that. So, a run of ASAD, ASIHFT, micro server, and all of that. 1.6% daily IRR, 5% direct referral commission, no withdrawal charges. So your withdrawal is free. Now I'm trying to see if I can open a back office for this. I'll update you guys how it is and how the back office look like actually. So you see arbitrage system runs automatically trading 24-hour system. Okay, earning the difference between the two. Buy low, sell high. That is just the simple math there. Now the arbitrage trader exchange A $100 buy, then you sell exchange B 1,000 buy, and you sell exchange B for $50. And what they are saying is this is how arbitrage works. You have $50 as profit to yourself. So what is high frequency trading? High frequency trading, also known as HFC, HFT, is a mode of trading that uses powerful computer programming to transact a large number of order in a functioning of a second. And all of that, what is a log? So you need to do this yourself and know. Now 1.6% will increase as the community grows. So this is where I'm coming in. So it's a community thing. So if community does not grow, you still have to stick on your IRO of 1 point something percent. So sorry for that. So you see, you can actually start with $20, and monthly return will be about this is the chart here, will be about 13 dollars, and yearly is going to give you 7,000. That if you don't touch it for yearly. So $40, 50, 100, 1 down to $50,000. So monthly is amazing. The crazy return, man, is amazing. So this is their return on investment chart that you are seeing there. You can actually ask for the PTDF file if you are interested to read further on your own. It says September, our investment of $500, September, October, November, December, January, you have $3,000. So if you do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 months, that's approximately in 1 month you already break even. That's what they are saying. You see, AAS leverage auto compounding interest. So there's auto compounding interest in the system. Is there any affiliate program in Afriq arbitrage system? Yes, there's affiliate program. It's always going to be there because that's what makes the system move. So you know that unit level structure and all of that. What is a cycle of trading in AAS? A cycle is the amount of time it takes for the daily transaction. So to complete all these things, you need to know that this is how it really works and all of that. So example, this is the example and all of that. So for me, it is good, but you must be careful whenever you are going to do this investment. I must say you must be careful because they say both deposits and withdrawal are made using USDT TRC20, which doesn't cost. It's a stable coin. You all know that. And all of that. There is a fake app on Google Play Store, so you can actually download the app on Google Play Store. And this is Warren Buffett. Your salary is your only source of income. You are one step away from poverty. Very correct. To anybody ever imagine a risk-free crypto business, join and all of that. So guys, the simple step is that to click on registration, link provided to you by your person who invited you. So if you are getting interested, I'm not registering. I'm just giving you my own personal view why I didn't promote this platform and what I've seen here that looks alarming, that looks fake and all of that. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.